I have lots of tape measures, as I'm sure you do too, and one way I like to store them so they don't get so tangled is to curl them up, and it takes a little bit of time, but they will stay curled up and not make such a mess in your drawer or on your machine or wherever it is you're using them. Still works. You unroll it, measure whatever you need to measure. No problem. There we go. I'm unrolling it all the way to the end. And then when you're done with it, you're just going to curl it back up and put it away. So this one I've worked on quite a while, and it stays nice and tight once I roll it up. And I'm going to show you another one that I haven't got finished yet. All right, this is a newer tape measure, so you can see it's not staying curled up yet. It takes several times and a little bit of time to get it to stay nice and tight like the one I've had for a little bit longer. You want to curl it up though from the higher end. So this is a normal tape measure, pretty standard, that goes up to 60 inches. So I want to start at that end and curl it as tight as I can. It's not going to be super tight to start with, but you just want to roll it up on itself so that the 1 inch, the 0, is at the end to start with. And every time I roll it up, it's going to stay a little bit better until it gets as tight as the one I've been doing for a longer time. It works with longer ones too, and with narrow ones. I keep this one in my purse. I've got it almost as tight as I want it to go, but even this little narrow one works as well. So I hope that tip helps. Please join me for some more sewing projects and some more sewing hacks. You can find me here on YouTube and everywhere online at Belle by Jessie. There's an extra E on the Belle, not on the Jessie. That's Belle by Jessie. And I'll sew with you again soon.